Click on the link below to get price. The Vivi ACEPro Electric Bike for adults presents a compelling option for those seeking an exhilarating and efficient ride. With a robust 1500W peak motor, this bike offers a powerful performance that stands out in urban commuting and off-road adventures alike. The motor delivers impressive acceleration, making it easy to tackle hills and challenging terrains without breaking a sweat. One of the notable features is its remarkable range of up to 70 miles on a single charge. This means you can confidently embark on longer rides or commutes without the anxiety of running low on battery. The 48V lithium-ion battery charges reasonably quickly, allowing for minimal downtime between rides. The bike's pedal assist and throttle modes provide flexibility, letting you choose the level of exertion you desire, whether you're in the mood for a leisurely ride or a more vigorous workout. The design of the Vivi ACEPro is equally impressive. It comes with a sturdy frame and fat tires, which enhance stability and comfort on various surfaces. The bike's suspension system absorbs shocks effectively, making it forgiving on bumpy roads or trails. The adjustable seat height and ergonomic handlebar design add to the overall comfort, ensuring a pleasant riding experience, even over extended periods. Safety features are not overlooked. The bike is equipped with a reliable braking system that includes front and rear disc brakes, ensuring quick stops when necessary. It also has bright LED lights for visibility during night rides, adding an extra layer of security. Overall, the Vivi ACEPro Electric Bike combines power, endurance, and comfort, making it a fantastic choice for adults looking to explore their surroundings or commute with ease. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or a newcomer, this electric bike provides a thrilling ride coupled with practical features, making it a worthwhile investment in your cycling journey.